Hi guys, moving on to the next part of this assignment. So for number 14, what volume in milliliters of a 0.997 molar potassium hydroxide solution is needed to neutralize 30.0 milliliters of 0.0400 molar of hydrochloric acid? Okay, so the KOH here, again, an OH, that's your Arrhenius base. That tells you that this is your base. Okay. And again, it looks like we're going to have to deal with molarity here. And the other one, HCl, hydrochloric acid, is your acid. And also, we've got the molarity for that one also. So the question is, what volume in milliliters of this base? So we're going to use that equation again. It is normality of acid times the volume of the acid equals the normality of the base times the volume of the base. So let's figure out the normality. Oh, before we do that, actually, let's rearrange this so that all we have on one side is the volume of the base and the other variables on the other side. So this time, what volume in milliliters of the base? That's the one that we are going to be looking for. This one here, the VB. So let's just move everything over to one side. Let's keep the VB on this side. So the resulting equation will be normality of the acid times the volume of the acid, all divided by the normality of the base. Okay, so now let's try to figure out what these values are so we can plug them in. And let's do a different color again. And like the problem before this, let's try to figure out the normalities for both of them. So the normality of the acid, we figured out that the acid is HCl. This is also your Arrhenius acid. It's got that hydrogen right there. So it looks like that there is one hydrogen ion for every ion of chloride to make this acid. So it's going to be one ion of the hydrogen ion times, let's take into account the molarity of this entire thing. There is a total of 0.0400 molarity of that one. And 1 times 0.04 is just simply 0.0400 normality. Now let's try to figure out the base, the normality of the base. Look at the base here. It's potassium hydroxide, and we are looking at the OH polyatomic ion for this one. And it seems like there is one OH. I put a negative there. Sorry, that's just habit. We've got one OH for every one potassium. So it's just going to be one hydroxide ion, the OH, and the total molarity of the entire molecule there, the entire compound, is 0.997. Okay? Oh, and don't forget that molarity is also moles per liter. So capital M is also moles per liter. So again, this is also another one that's 1 times the molarity. So it'll be 0.997 big N for normality, and that would be for your base. All right, so we've got the normality of the acid and normality of the base. Let's try to figure out what the volume of the acid will be. And the volume of the base is what we are looking for. So the volume of the acid, let's see, does it say here? Yes, it does. Needed to neutralize 30.0 milliliters of the hydrochloric acid. So it will be 30.0 milliliters. And remember, these units are originally in liters. Let's convert the milliliters into liters. So 30.0 milliliters over 1, we're doing conversion. Do the times and the line for your conversion factor. And do you guys remember how many milliliters there are for every liter? Yes, you do. There are 1,000 milliliters for every 1 liter. So cancel out the milliliters. 30.0 divided by 1,000. Just move the decimal 3 spaces to the left because there are 3 zeros down here. So it will be 0.030 liters of the acid. Okay, so now we need to figure out the base, that is your unknown. We can plug in these values into this equation, specifically the second bottom equation here. So let's plug everything in. Let's go back to my black pen. The Na we have over here, so it will be 0.0400 normality. The VA is the volume of the acid, and we converted that to liters. So it's 0.030 liters divided by the normality of the base, and we figured that out, 0.997 normality. We can cancel out the ends, plug this into our calculator. Again, if you don't have a calculator, just look it up on Google, scientific calculator. 0.0400 times 0.030 divided by 0.997. Your answer comes to be 0.00120361 liters. Let me see, 1, 2, 3 sig figs here, 2 sig figs here, 3 sig figs. But let's take a look at the original problem. That's a way to figure out your sig figs. We've got 3 sig figs here, 3 over here, and 3 over here. So just 3 sig figs. Switch this into 0.00120 liters. That's 3 sig figs there. But it's asking you in milliliters. Convert this into milliliters. I'm just going to do it again. 0.00120 liters over 1. And liters, we're going to try to get rid of that. So we're going to put that 1 liter at the bottom here, and this time the 1,000 milliliters at the top. And remember, there's 1,000 milliliters for every 1 liter. And so your answer comes to be 1.20 because it's 3 sig figs. 1.20 milliliters of base is needed to neutralize the 30 milliliters of hydrochloric acid. That is your answer for number 14. Okay. Now on to the next problem, problem number 15. So from my lecture, pH and pOH in the solution always total 14. I can write that down. 14. Now, what equation do we use when calculating pH? Well, I should have been a little bit more clearer on that, actually. So if you said pH equals 14 minus pOH, I would have accepted that technically, but the answer I was actually looking for, based on the video, you're following along with the video, it's actually this. You've got the pH, which will be equal to negative log, we're using the logarithmic function on our calculators this time, times the concentration of the acid. Okay? Now, if we're going to do this backwards, where you are given the pH, but you are asked to figure out what is the concentration, like this time you need to look for the concentration, we're going to take the inverse of log. And the inverse of log happens to be 10 to the negative pH. Okay, so that will be equal to the concentration of the acid. Now, let's practice. Find the pH for 0.1 molar of the sulfuric acid. So, we are looking for the pH. We will use this equation, negative log times the concentration, okay? Because you guys remember that these brackets stand for concentration. And concentration is also the capital M, which is also moles per liter. There you go, literacy in chemistry. Okay, so it'll be negative log times the concentration of your acid. So plug that in, negative log times, what is it, 0.1 molar. So you're going to enter the negative first in your calculator, and then the log button, and then enter 0.1. You will find that your pH is 1 when you enter that in your calculator. For the next one, number 19, find the pH for 0.001 molarity of hydrochloric acid. Again, you are going to use that equation, the logarithmic equation, times the acid, negative log times the concentration of the acid. And it'll be, you're going to press the negative button, time, and then the log, and then 0.001, that's your concentration, and your answer on the calculator should come to be 3, a pH of 3, which is still acidic. Okay, so I'm going to stop right there. You guys can take a little break or move on to the final segment of this assignment that I've given you. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one.